a positive thing when it comes to the estrogen, as we mentioned, the decrease in Alzheimer's and dementia. Do you take that into account depending on the patient, if you notice that the patient may experience maybe some symptoms of those?
Well, I definitely counsel the patient that this can be a benefit. You know, most women between the ages of 50 and 60 are usually not necessarily manifesting symptoms of Alzheimer's, but they do probably have Alzheimer's in their family, their parents perhaps, and they're concerned about that. And so I reassure them that estrogen is going to be beneficial in helping to reduce that risk for them.
Absolutely. I do want to bring up those risks again. We have a graphic that shows, and you mentioned blood clots, sorry, and the breast cancer. But there's also things like gallstones.
Right. So there is a small increased risk for gallstones if you take estrogen orally.
Why is that?
The estrogen taken orally, when the estrogen is initially swallowed into the stomach, the first place that it then hits is the liver, and it can increase the risk that gallstones form. But the risk is small, so it's small. Not a. I don't feel that it's a large concern.
Dr. Starke, you also brought up cardiovascular complications. Can you elaborate on those, on what kind of complications women maybe show in terms of risk? So
we need to take a special look at the WHI study, the Women's Health Initiative. And in that study, they found that women on Premarin and Provera did have a slightly increased risk for heart attacks. For every 1,000 women on estrogen, they found that an extra 2.5 women did have a heart attack.
Wow.
And so that is actually considered a rare occurrence, but enough that the study authors were very concerned about it. And at the time that the study was published, they blamed the increase in heart attacks on estrogen. And so this was why this was such a pivotal study. It really affected a whole generation of women who stopped their hormones. And we've realized now that that conclusion that was drawn was incorrect. Estrogen is actually beneficial for your heart. It's not an increased risk for heart attacks. It was the synthetic progestin that was used in that study.